In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find downloaded files and documents from your smartphone using a computer. So the first thing we need to do is to connect your smartphone to the computer using a USB cable and then select the file transfer option. Now from here, you can see I have my Redmi Note 10 connected, and this is what I'm going to use for this demonstration. Now the next thing you need to do is to double click on it to open. Then this will show the type of storage you have. For my case, I only have one internal storage, and if you have an SD, it will be displayed. Then depending on the default storage, go ahead and click on it. So for my case, I'll click on internal storage to open my storage. Now to find all the downloaded files and folders on my smartphone, look for the file called download and double click on it to open. Now from here, you can see I have quite a number of files and folders that I have downloaded on my smartphone. And now here I can find them. So from here, go and grab any that you want and copy them wherever you want. So that's how you find downloaded documents and files on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.